Personal finance tips from a dollar store calendar. Construct an indoor clothesline. Save energy and money with an indoor clothesline. In winter, the added humidity will make a dry home more comfortable. Right. Not sure that's effective. I don't know how many people are using clotheslines at all these days. Seems like this was maybe a better idea in the 1980s. Um, Almost everybody uses a drying machine these days to get things done. Although we do still hang up very large items like huge comforters or blankets because they just don't dry effectively in a dryer. We used to do that over a large banister. We've just moved into a different house and we don't have a banister anymore to do that. So I'm not sure if that's going to be a thing for us anymore. But I do appreciate the sentiment here about keeping a dry home in the winter a little more humid. Um, in the wintertime, me personally, I don't know if this affects you guys at all, but I'm very sensitive to the humidity and lack thereof in the wintertime and end up getting nosebleeds too frequently. This happens to a lot of people who are sensitive to dry air. So I have to use a humidifier to take care of that. I'm not sure using a clothesline indoors is going to make the difference because the heating systems that we require are what dry up the air, and just drying your clothes inside isn't going to really make that much of a difference. You're probably still going to need a humidifier to solve this particular problem. I'm going to give this one a failing grade for bad suggestion.